students. So let's go through some of these answers just in case you had some trouble. So number one, when you see the ing with walking, you can see that it's the subject of the verb. What is good exercise? Walking. So it's in sentence. In the sentence, it's in subject position. So if you have a word in subject position, you know it has to be a noun or pronoun. So it's going to be a gerund. In sentence number 2, we can see that the ing is part of the main verb of the sentence. She what? She is walking to school. That's the action. So if it's the action of the sentence, it has to be the verb. In number 3, it is surprising. Now this one could be confusing because you have be plus ing, so it looks a lot like a verb. But since we already covered participial adjectives, you know that surprising is an adjective. So it is our subject and verb, and surprising is an adjective. In number 4, our verb is recommend. So I recommend what? The ing is in the object position here. Well, if it's in object position, we know it has to be a noun, and so drinking is a gerund. In number 5, we have the recommendations can be confusing. Again, this looks very much like a verb because you have be plus ing. So you really need to know that confusing is an adjective. In number 6, they aren't drinking enough water. Here, obviously, it's the main verb. There's no other verb in the sentence. So, aren't drinking has to be our verb. In number 7, same thing. She is dancing in a show. She is what? She is dancing. That's the action in the sentence. And then in number 8, the show is amazing. We can tell that amazing here is an adjective describing show. And then in number 9, I know a lot about dancing. About is our preposition, so about dancing is our prepositional phrase. What's the last word of a prepositional phrase? It's always a noun. So we know that dancing is a gerund. Hope that helps.